How to make the softest and the most delicious agege bread at the comfort of your home. You don't need to be buying agege bread again. With very few and healthy ingredients, you will be making your own agege bread at home. First thing you'll be needing is to activate your yeast. I'm using 2 tablespoons of yeast with lukewarm water. I will mix these to combine. You have to be careful when mixing your yeast because at times they can be lumps. Mix it very well, just like this. Then you set aside. The next thing is to mix our dry ingredients. This part you have to check the description for the measurement. I'll be using electric mixer. If you don't have electric mixer, no problem. You can use your hand to knead your dough. I added 2 full spoons of sugar because I don't want it to be too many sugar. Half tablespoon of salt, then full 2 cup, like you see this cup here, 2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'll be adding my yeast that I already mixed earlier with a little bit of milk. After adding all the ingredients together, I'll close and knead for about 3 minutes. If you're kneading with your hand, just know that you're going to be kneading for 6 minutes. That is if you want a better result. After that, I'll turn this off. Then I'll be adding some butter. See, when you're making agege, just use butter. Let's not even talk about vegetable oil. I've seen a lot of videos like using vegetable oil to make agege bread. I don't know how it tastes, but I think butter is the best. Your bread will be so creamy too. You will not have to put butter when your agege is ready. Trust me, butter or the when it comes to bread, you have the better result. So after that, I needed for another 3 minutes. Then I'll be taking this off. I will transfer this into a greased bowl. I'll still be using butter to grease my bowl. That is if you want a better result, just so the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. You can use vegetable oil also, but I would advise, like I said before, when it comes to agege, always use butter. You will tell me thank you by the time you start making yours at home. You see how the bowl, the dough is looking. It's looking fluffy already, so fluffy, and it will stick. So I'll close this and allow this to rise for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is what it looks like. I'll just give this a punch just to bring out those hair inside. Yeah, then I'll put it on a surface where I'll be rolling it. Yeah, that's the word. I'll be rolling it. This is what it looks like. You see, despite the fact that I did not add other flour to the surface, you see the dough is not even sticking to the surface because of the butter and when the dough is well prepared, when you follow instructions. So I'll just roll this so that I can transfer it into the pan. When you're making yours, roll it very well so that while in the oven, your dough will not open mouth as if it wants to swallow something. So this place, I was trying to make that place a little bit flat so that it can seal up well. So after that, I'll just transfer this into my greased pan. Greasing the pan, I also use butter. It has to be butter. The bread must be yummy. Okay, after that, I'll just leave this to rise for about 30 minutes. Then we'll be greasing it also. While I'm waiting, I have to clean. Yeah, so this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. You see, it looks good already. I'll be using butter to grease the top. Now let me explain why you have to use butter. I've used egg and a little bit of milk, but I will tell you that butter is the best to grease your bread. You're making cake is different from bread. I'll just transfer it into the oven for about 20 minutes and this is what it looks like. This is the fluffiest agege bread you can find on the street of internet. It's so I wish I can give you guys this thing to taste. You see this bread. If you can make your bread like this, you don't need to be buying bread. At least you know what's inside. It's so fluffy, so soft, yummy. You don't have to rub butter on this particular bread before you eat it because it has enough in it already. You see, can you see how soft it is? This is the best of the best. So if you're watching, let me know if you'll be making this agege bread and let me know what the result is also. You see, I'm already eating it. I can't wait. I'm not a fan of agege bread, but my family enjoyed this bread. Thank you for watching and see you on our next upload. Bye bye.